Did you know that now you can create a Hollywood-style AI animated movie with consistent characters, cinematic camera movement, voices, and more without knowing a single thing about animation? And the craziest part? You probably already have all the AI tools you need. In this video, I'll show you the exact workflow I am using to turn one simple idea into a polished cartoon film using Claude, ChatGPT, and one ridiculously powerful free tool that almost nobody is talking about. Let's get started. So today, I'm going to show you something brand new that I'm trying and really like. I'm in ChatGPT. I had an idea for a kids video I wanted to make. I asked it for a few story ideas, and then I picked one. First, I asked ChatGPT for a character sheet for Sophie and Leo. I gave it a brief description, and it created this image. So here's Sophie, and here's Leo. I really like that it shows them from multiple angles and with different expressions. Then I downloaded it. Next, I asked ChatGPT, based on the story overview, to create a 3x3 storyboard for this, with images that are 16 by 9 each, using ChatGPT Image 2. Here's what it made for me. I was so excited about this. It created this 3x3 storyboard and broke down everything one scene at a time. The only thing I really didn't like is that it put numbers on the images. So I went back to ChatGPT and asked it to recreate it without adding numbers on the images. Then it created this. I did forget to ask it to include was an action prompt for each scene. So I asked it to create a simple action prompt for all 9 images. So the next problem I need to solve is taking these apart, because right now it's just one big image. After much experimentation, I have found one way that works really well. Let me show you. I'm in Claude right now. If you've never used Claude before, it's really good, and they even have a free plan. So I'm gonna ask it to take this image and break it up into individual scenes. Then click here. Wow, this probably took less than a minute. Now you can see all 9 different images. So download them all. This is by far the best thing that I have found to do this process. So now I have all these images broken apart. The next thing I'm going to do is this. I'll ask it, can you create a simple and short narration for each scene from a narrator's point of view? Next, I've come to ElevenLabs, and this is where I'm going to create what the narrator is saying. First, I'm going to text-to-speech. This is where you actually put your text at. I've already got a voice chosen. If you want to listen to them, just click on it to hear it. I'll go back to ChatGPT and grab all of these, then go back to ElevenLabs. I'll clean this up a little bit. Now I'll click Generate Speech. Once it's finished, if you're happy with it, come over here and download. Okay, the next thing is to go to Canva and start putting this together. I'll choose Landscape, then go to Uploads. This is the voice I just made in ElevenLabs. The next thing I'll do is grab all my images and drag them in here. Using the trick I just showed you from Claude, that one trick alone saved me at least 20 minutes or more. Now I'll come down here and add a blank. Now I'm going to Audio and add my narration there. I'll make it a little louder, and now I'll add my images. So I'll take this image, click on it. Next, I'll come up here to Tools and choose Image to Video. This tool makes 5-second videos. You can choose the smart or prompt version, but I'm going to choose the smart version. Let's watch it. All right, so there's number 1, so I'll pull it right over here. And then I'll do the same thing for all the other images. I'll take it, make it fit the page, go to Edit, choose Image to Video, click on Generate. I'll show you the final product in a few minutes. Okay, now I've got all the videos completed. Next, I'll come between each one and split this foundation layer up. If you click on this, it makes it easier to see what you're doing. Then come between each of these images, right-click, then choose Split. Next, I'll do the same thing down here with the narration. I'll listen to it, and when it comes to a stopping point, I'll split it up. Okay, let's watch it and see how the timing works. Now you can see everything, the videos and narration. I did add one little audio piece. I went back and recorded that in ElevenLabs, then uploaded it into Canva. Lastly, you could add music or sound effects. I'll add some music. Here's what I did. I went to my paid Suno account and I chose one of my pieces. I do have some videos on how to use Suno, so if you want to learn more, go watch those videos on my channel. Here is my Suno song. I made it really quiet so that I could easily hear the narration over it. I'm pretty happy with how it all turned out. Now I'm going to click on Share, choose Download, make sure MP4 is chosen, and also 1080, then click on Download. Now that it's done, I can upload it to YouTube, my social media, wherever. Okay, so now you've seen my new process, taking this all the way from a single idea to a completed product.
Sophie stepped into the library, excited to explore. She spotted the space adventure books and was so happy. She decides to look at a few more books. Hidden corners of the library called to her curiosity. At last, she found the perfect space adventure book. Then Sophie noticed a boy her age, smiling shyly at her. Together they wandered through the aisles. They flipped through pages of colorful science books. A cozy reading nook welcomed them, sitting side by side. With new books and a new friend, Sophie left happily.
And now it's time for you to give it a try. Let me know what you think of this process and what parts were your favorite. What kind of video story will you make? Have fun creating!
If you found this useful, hit that like button. It helps a ton. And if you want to get better at making AI videos that actually stand out, I've got another video right here you'll want to watch next.